What's going on, guys? So today we actually have a 2020 Subaru Accent. What we're doing on the front two windows and the full windshield. Unfortunately, I just found out that they had the eyesight on the front windshield. Due to eyesight, we do not tint any of the windshields. This is an expensive fix. If anything comes uncalibrated, something like that could range in a couple $1,000s just to recalibrate everything like that. So we do not tint them. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for our 2020 Subaru Accent. Up next we have a 2018 Nissan Rogue. After that I think we have a TRD Pro that we have 2 windows on. It's kind of a slow week, it's really cold out, it's been nasty weather. But yeah, hope you guys like this content. Stay tuned. Alright, we got 50% going on the windshield, and also Dewey is installing the front passenger window right now. Alright, so we've busted out the 2 windows on the Toyota TRD. Dewey knocked those out, applying the brow right now, and then we're going to get it out the door.
A touch under 8.
Touch under 8?
Yeah, like one of them 1 or 2 notches. I'll bring it down to
7 3/4. That's it. Alright guys, so that wraps up for today. Super slow day, only had 3 or 4 cars. We had another one stop by for just a brow. During the summertime, we're gonna start pumping out a lot more videos. We do anywhere from 10 to 15 vehicles a day. So we'll have plenty of content as far as posting videos and stuff like that. And as far as vehicles go, we'll have plenty to film. But I hope you guys like this. We're gonna try and pump out some more videos kind of like this. Like and subscribe. We're really trying to build our YouTube audience. There's not a whole lot of window tint shops that are on YouTube right now that post, you know, fluid content. Please like and subscribe if you like our content. That'd be greatly appreciated. But till next time, see you guys later.